Alright, so welcome to the driveway. Today we got transmission to tear it apart, so we're going to get cracking on that, tear things down, and not spend $400 on specialty tools for it. So stick around and see what type of disaster we end up making today. Alright, so one of the big reasons why people usually don't try to rebuild their own transmission is lack of specialty tools. Like over here you have, this is your 5th gear nut, and that's one of the few things that you need to remove things. And you look around online and it's somewhere between 80 and 120 bucks just for a simple little wrench that fits over. So today we're going to make our own, and hopefully that works out well, and then we'll see how that goes. So we're gonna remove the teeth here on the lathe and then put the 4 teeth in there, and hopefully everything will work. Alright, so I got the threads ground down enough so it sockets over. So that fits on quite nice there. Now we're just going to come through, and on these marks here, I'm just going to lay a bead of weld, and then with the file we'll just grind it down to the last section and we should be somewhere. Alright, so we got the hillbilly made 5th gear socket wrench welded to a Harbor Freight socket, a little bit of DOM for a little extension to make it past the shaft, and I guess we're pretty good there. That socket's in pretty good. Alright, so we hammered the crap out of this thing. Had a lot of Loctite on it. So, get the old beater machine out of the way. One set of sinkers. Alright, so I don't have a puller right now, so I'm going to have to run and go get one of those. But while we're at it, let's just yank out the front bar here. Good. Looks like we got ourselves a little bearing issue. The heck? Well, that's pretty neat. Well, we'll have to see if we can clean that up a little bit. That looks kind of ugly. Okay, so luckily this gear isn't on there very hard, so we can do something kind of dumb with the puller. Good enough. Square this up a little bit. Crank her down. Okay. Well, here's the gear. I don't know why I'm working so hard. Retainer, shim. But I had another bag. Alright, so we need to work on getting the main shaft out of here. Okay. Okay. Now they definitely make what am I saying? They make bearing splitter sets designed specifically for this transmission. But when you look at those things, they're like, what, 50 bucks a piece or something? So, should be able to make do with something dirty and simple as this. And there we go. Get this out of the way. Now we can just pull that guy right out. Okay. All in all, we're looking pretty good. Just a little bit of wear on those teeth. But that should be reverse. So I'm not really worried too much about reverse being a little different. Rest of the gears look pretty good. Well, everything pretty much still looks good in there. Okay. So now we pop out this. Pop out the end cap seal. And then we pretty much got ourselves an empty case. There we go. Taking the races out are a lot easier than putting them in. Alright, now I think I need to bring this over to the parts washer and give it a once over. This is pretty grimy. Alright, well that is going to do it for today. We got our transmission all torn apart. Now I just need to order up the pieces. Need a bearing kit and I think small parts kit. That'll have all the bearings and all the little things that I need to rebuild. And then on the next one where we're messing with the transmission, we'll put it all back together and hopefully shove it back in the truck. So yeah. Subscribe for more and that type of stuff. And I will catch you guys later. Ooh, this thing's heavy.